Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix issues with the CapCut mobile app if it's not working properly. Whether you're experiencing bugs, missing features, or the app is crashing, I'll guide you through 2 easy solutions to fix the problem. This works on both iOS and Android, so let's get started. First, if the CapCut app is crashing for you, skip ahead. But if it's not, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're inside, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Here, you'll want to clear the app cache by clicking the Clear Cache option and confirming your decision. If you haven't cleared the cache in a while, it could be causing performance issues, so make sure to do that. Now, exit the CapCut app, and then tap to open its settings. And uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall app to install a fresh version of CapCut. This process will update the app to the latest version, and it should resolve any issues you've been facing. And that's it! After following these steps, your CapCut app should be working smoothly again. If this video helped, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.